Hi everyone and welcome. We are here in Sitges at ARC Forum 2025. I'm here with Domenico from Schneider Electric. Domenico, thanks for joining.
Thanks for having me.
I would like to start with a short introduction of yourself. Could you tell us what you do in Schneider?
Sure. My name is Domenico Napoli. I'm part of the offer enablement team at Schneider Electric, really focusing on promoting and enabling our offers in the marketplace, specifically for the continuous process and hybrid type of applications. I've been in the industry for over 20 years now, so I've done a little bit of everything from project execution to sales and marketing now, and really enjoy working with our R&D teams and bringing more products to market that meet our customer needs.
Thanks, Domenico. Software-defined automation seems to be a big thing over here. Could you tell us a little bit more, what is the difference between software-defined automation and open software-defined automation?
That's a good question. I hear it quite a bit from the different teams because it's pretty new in the marketplace. So when we're thinking about software-defined automation, it really is the concept of separating the control strategies from the actual hardware that it's running on. So there's a lot of different technologies that we can use to do that separation, but also there's a list of software capabilities that are around that, especially in the industrial automation space, that are needed, either to manage the system, to do some orchestration like we've been hearing at the conference this year, and maintaining the system. So all of that is what falls under the software-defined automation scope. Then there's the concept of open automation, which is more leveraging open standards and protocols in order to achieve your automation solutions. So at Schneider Electric, we're doing both, right? That's why we're calling it open software-defined automation, because we are separating the control strategies from the hardware, but we're also integrating open protocols and open standards in order to build a solution that is flexible and can be shared across multiple different vendors. So when you're looking at the control strategies, the main difference is with software-defined automation, you're deploying those control strategies within the same vendor. But when you're looking at open software-defined automation, leveraging the partnership with Universal Automation, now we can deploy that same control strategies across multiple different vendor products without any customization.
So what do you think are the main challenges that companies are facing while implementing this new technology? And what are the solutions that Schneider Electric is providing them to tackle these challenges?
So there's a couple of challenges that come to mind. The first one is the skills gap. We definitely see that applying these new technologies requires a different skill set than what most companies have available today, or we need to go a little bit outside of our realm of current expertise. We also have the challenges of integrating new software with old software, new products with old products. And then there's always some cybersecurity, which is at the core of everything that we're doing in the industry today. As far as how we can help our customers overcome some of these challenges, when we look at cybersecurity, we have a very broad portfolio of cybersecurity services that we can do to help meet the customer's specific cybersecurity needs. Not only from a product, so from a product perspective, everything that we're doing is keeping cybersecurity in mind and designing with cybersecurity in order to have the cybersecurity certificates at a product level. Mm-hmm. But what's more important is also working with the customers and making sure that together we can provide the right level of services and capabilities so that they can achieve their cybersecurity ambitions. From a skills gap perspective, we have a lot of training programs and support options available, because we do know that this skills gap is something that we're going on as well with. So really helping with the training programs to help fill that skills gap, and also in the interim also providing support services to fill the gaps with our customers so that we can achieve that together. Another thing that's really important on the integration side is really working with a lot of different partners, and then leveraging, universalautomation.org is really taking that to the next level, right? There's really having a lot of different vendors working together to solve the same customer problem together, not as competitors. So it's really finding the right solution for the right customer that meets their specific needs.
Okay, good. So considering the current constraints that the industry is facing, what other solutions would you like to highlight from Schneider Electric in relation to operational and capital efficiencies?
That's a very good one. There's quite a few things that we do at Schneider Electric when it comes to that topic. The one that comes to mind is really our EcoStruxure Power and Process program or initiative. We see that there's a growing demand in the industry to really move towards more greener energy, and not only using that greener energy, but also electrifying existing processes. So our EcoStruxure Power and Process program is there to really take the energy side of an asset or of a customer's site, and also the process side, and look at them together, side by side, really working together, not just having the two teams working independently apart. And that really helps us achieve the operational efficiencies that our customers need when it comes to integrating the power and the process to really bring those capabilities.
Yeah, great. Last question. Any reflections to share with the audience here about the forum? What did you find interesting, new, that you would like to share?
I think the forum was really good this year. I actually enjoyed it more than previous forums. It's a lot. We had a lot more conversations, a lot more interactive. I was even talking with some customers today, and there's that general consensus that this year there's a lot more engagement from all of the different vendors, from all of the different users, from the ARC team as well. And yeah, it's been really positive to see all the new offers that are coming into the market, all the different solutions that different vendors are doing, and also the customers adopting these solutions more frequently than we have seen in the past.
Okay, great. Thanks for sharing. And thanks to you and the team of Schneider Electric for being here. Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much.